In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a song to your Instagram story. So once you have loaded up the Instagram app, you can either swipe to the right from the home screen, so that's a carousel post. So if you scroll onto any other post and swipe to the right, that will take you to the stories feature. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to record a quick story. Okay, so once you've recorded your story, it's going to show you the preview of your story. And then to add the music, all you need to do is tap on this little sticker icon at the top there. Then you'll notice that you have the music sticker right over here. Tap on the music sticker. Then what you want to do is you want to search for a song. So I'll search for a song real quick. And then I'll tap on the song that I want to add. And you have all these options here at the top. You can add the lyrics, see how the lyrics look with different options. If you just want the album cover, you can select the very last option on the right hand side. You can select where you want the music to play from, what part of the song. And then when you're happy with everything, you can just tap on done and you can resize this or anything like that. And then just continue editing your story. So that's pretty straightforward and simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.